What's up guys, this is Tampa Tech and these are the Kowin E7 active noise cancelling headphones. These are by far the best selling active noise cancelling headphones on Amazon with over 35,000 reviews averaging out to be 4.5 star rating. Let's calculate that. At $60 for these headphones and just based it off of the reviews alone, 35,000 in sales equals $2,100,000 these headphones generated. But they have one flaw. These are actually my second pair of Kowin E7 headphones. The first pair I had lasted about 2 years and they broke. I threw them out, but I decided to buy another pair of headphones because they're, for one, so inexpensive and they're actually really good active noise canceling headphones. And they're lightweight. But their only flaw is that they keep on breaking right here at the bottom joint where it twists. And according to some of these reviews, I am not the only one experiencing this issue. Well, I decided I'm not going to throw out these headphones. I'm going to try to fix the second pair. So hopefully this video does help you out with this common issue that I had. And if it does, give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching. If you guys found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone with broken Kowin headphones, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Help someone out. Get these headphones out of the landfill. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.